Today's recipe for Greek yogurt chicken not only tastes delicious, but it's also super juicy and it pairs great with everything. To make the marinade, let's place the Greek yogurt, some garlic, paprika in a bowl. Then I'm gonna squeeze half a lemon, add some onion powder, oregano or Italian seasoning, a little salt and pepper, and then mix the mixture really well. I went ahead and butterflied my chicken breasts so they're thinner, so that means they'll cook faster. But if you want to learn how to do that, I'm gonna make sure to link a video for you right below and in an info card. Then I'm just gonna take that yogurt marinade and combine it with the chicken breasts and move them all around well to make sure that they're well coated. Let's cover it with some plastic wrap and refrigerate it for an hour or so. This is the perfect recipe for any night of the week since you can marinate this chicken breast a day ahead and have it ready to cook really quick. Let's unwrap these marinated chicken breasts so we can cook them. First, I'm gonna heat up a large pan, and once hot, I'm gonna add some oil to the pan and place a chicken breast on the hot surface. One tip is to make sure that whatever you place it, that's where you wanna cook it, because once it's down, you don't want to move that piece of chicken breast until it's time to flip it. Because I made my chicken breasts thinner by butterflying them, the first side is gonna cook over medium-high heat in about just 4 minutes, and after that it should be really easy to lift and flip it over and continue cooking for another 4 minutes or so until the chicken's internal temperature is 165. Something to note is that if you did not butterfly the chicken breast and it's much thicker than mine, the cooking time will be about 7 minutes or so per side. As you can see, this Greek yogurt chicken has a nice golden color, and now that it's ready, let me move it onto a cutting board to give you a close-up of what it looks like. By the way, I'm gonna leave the measurements below this video for you, and while you're down there, give this video a thumbs up, it makes my day. Check it out, it's juicy, delicious, and it pairs great with your favorite sides. By the way, if you have chicken that's still frozen and you wanna thaw it out really fast, to make this recipe, check out this next video. See you soon.